Hello students, this is your teacher Manjunath Patil sir. So you are learning a new formula, sum of n terms of an AP. This is the formula S equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the new formula. When we use this, only finding a sum of n terms, okay, sum of n terms. Next, using this formula and one more formula for sum. What is L here? So L means last term. L means last term. Okay. So what is the use of this formula? You can see next. See here. So formula example 11. Okay. In example 11, so see here. Sum of 22 terms. It means S22. We have to find S22. What are they given here? So 8. A is the first term. So A equal to 8. What is the difference? Common difference? D equal to A2 minus A1. Okay. What is A2 here? 3. Minus A1 is 8. So what is D value here? Minus 5. Okay. So D value is minus 5. So number of terms are here 22. So N value is 22. So put is A, D and N value in this formula. What is the formula is here? S equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is 22. So put N is 22 here. A is, what is A? A is 8. So 8 into 2, 16. So 8 into 2, 16. N value is 21. So where is n? Actually n value is 22. 22 minus 1 equal to 21. So D value is minus 5. Put minus 5 here. So what is the total value is? 22 by 2 is 11. 16 minus plus into minus 21 into 5 minus 105. So total value is minus 979. So sum of first 22 terms is equal of an AP is equal to minus 979. Okay, is it clear? So next 12th question. Okay, so in 12th question, sum of 14 terms, it means S14 equal to how much? 1050. Okay, it's first term. First term, what is first term? First term is 10. So we have to find the 20th term. It means we have to find A20. So in every term, we must and should, we have to know values of 3. What are those? A, D, N. We have to find these 3 compulsory. So in this question, we know already A and value of N is here. So N is equal to 14. See here, this is a N value. Okay, N is 14, A is 10. What is D value? We don't know D. So put the values of A, N and S14 in this formula. So S14 is 1050, N value is 14, A value is 10. So 10 into 2, that's 20. N value is 14. 14 minus 1, it is 13. 13 into D, 13D. After solving this, how do you solve the 1050 is equal to 14 by 2. 2A plus 13D. Okay. So 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. So 1050 divided by is 7. No? So comes here divided by 7. So 20 plus 13D. Okay. So after cancellation this, what we get? So this is the 9, 10 equal to 91D. So 9, 10 divided by 91 is equal to D. So 91 1 ja, 91 10 ja. So D value is here 10. After getting this, what we have to find? 20th term. So 20th term means A20. We have to find A20. What is A20? So put the value. A20 means A plus 19D. What is A value? A value is 10. Is it here a value is 10 plus 19 into what is d value? D value is 10. So 19 into 10, 190. 190 plus 10, that is 200. So A20 equal to 200. Is it clear? Okay. So next question, 13th question. So how many terms? In this question already they already told that how many terms. So it means what is n value? So find n. So AP 24, 21, 18. So what is the first term here? 24. So A value is 24. D value is A2 minus A1 means 21 minus 24. That is 21 minus 24 means minus 3. A value is 24. Sn. Sum must be taken so that the sum is 78. Sum is 78 means Sn equal to 78. So put the values of these all A, D and Sn in this given formula. So Sn equal to 78, n equal to we don't know n, so n by 2. A means 24. So 24 into 2, 48 when we don't know. D is in minus, negative sign. So we have to, without forgetting, compulsory put bracket. Okay. So don't forget this. Okay. So minus 3 into n, minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. Plus 3 into 48, that is 50 plus 51. So after that 78 equal to n by 2 into 51 minus 3n. Okay. So 2 ones are 278. So what it becomes? 156 into n into 51 minus 3n. Okay. So n into 51, 51n. n into minus 3n, 3n square. What is here? 156. So minus 3n come to left hand side, that is plus sign. Minus 51 plus 156 equal to 0. After dividing these three numbers by 3, we get n square minus 17n plus 52 equal to 0. So from the any two numbers, sum of product of any two numbers must be 52. Product sum of subtraction or addition of any two numbers must be minus 17. Those numbers are 39, 14. So n in minus 4 into minus 13n plus 52 equal to 0. So what is common here? N is common. So n minus 4. What is common here? Here is minus 13 is common. So n minus 4. In both sides n minus 4 is common. So remaining is n minus 13 equal to 0. So that is here. Okay. So final value is n equal to 4 and 13. So both the values of n are admissible. So the number of terms must either 4 or 13. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು 4 or 13. Both are right. Okay. So go to next question. 14th question. Okay. Find the sum of first 100 positive integers. 100 positive integers. Those are 1, 2, 3 up to 1000. Okay. When we know the last value, we have to use this formula, a plus n. When we know last term, then only we have to use this formula. Okay. You know here 1000 is the last term. Okay. So we directly use this. Okay. S 100 here's 1000 because n value also 1000. 1000 divided by 2. What is first value here? A value is 1. So put 1. What is L value? 1000. So 1000 plus 1, 1001. 1001 into 1000, what it becomes? 500 into 1001. So So multiple of these two, 500, 500. So yes, 1000 means this is the value. Okay, is it clear? So next question, find the n positive integers. Like 1000, we have to find first n positive integers. Okay, so formula for this, for Sn equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for n positive integers. Okay, so keep remembering this. So for sum, we have to know these three formula. First one is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula. For sum in AP, we have to use this formula for any time. When we know the last term, then only we have to use this formula. Okay, this is when we know the last term, then only this formula. When this formula is for when we know the given numbers are must be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like this, then only we can use this formula. What is this? Sum of n natural numbers. Here it is. Sum of first n positive integers, then only use this formula. Okay. So next go to 15th question. Okay. Sum of first 24 terms. Sum of first 24 terms means n equal to 24. List of numbers whose nth term is given. So it is the nth term. Using this, an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Okay. Put to n value is 1. So it is a1. 3 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 3, that is 5. So a1 equal to 5. a1 means first term. So first term is equal to 5. So second term, a2. Put the n value 2. So 3 plus 2 into n value is 2. So 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3, that is 7. So a2 is 7. Like this, a3 is 9. Okay. a1 is 5. a2 is 7. a3 is 9. a4, what is a4? a4 must be 11. Okay. So we don't need the a4. Okay. So then a value is, what is a value is 5. We know that here. So what is d value? a2 minus a1. What is a2? 7. a1 5. So d value is 2. You know a, d and n value. N value is 24. Okay. Using this, put the values of a, d and n in given formula. We can easily get this answer. Okay. You calculate the answer in your own. Okay. Next, 16th question. A manufacturer TV sets produces 600 sets in third year. It means A3 equal to 600. 700 in 7th year means A7 equal to 700. Yes, assuming that the production increases uniformly by fixed number of every year. It means ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ಟಿವಿದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ a1 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ a1? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ 10th year, we have to find a10 also. Okay. So total production in 7 years. It means total production means S7. Okay. We have to find a1, a10 and S7. Okay. What is a1? First, using the given data, we have to find next terms. Okay. A3 means a plus 2d equal to 600. What is a7? A plus 60 equal to 700. Okay. They are given here. So by subtracting these two, how you can subtract this? Equal to 600, a plus 60 equal to 700. Subtract these two. While subtracting, we have to change the sign. A plus a minus a get cancelled. Minus 60 plus 4d. What we get? Minus 4d is equal to minus 100. You can cancel the minus signs. So d equal to 100 by 4. So then d value is 25. So here is d value 25. What is a value? Put the d value in this equation. So a plus 2d is equal to 600. Okay, d is 25 now. So 25 into 2, 25 into 2, 50 equal to 600. So a equal to 600 minus 50. So then a equal to 550. So observe this, a is equal to 550. So we know now a value and d value. And next, what's the question? Already, actually the question is A1. We have to find A1 and A10 and S7. Okay, we know already A1 is 25 and A10. How we can find A10? A10 equal to A plus 90. A is 25. Sorry, A is 550 plus 19. D is 25. So whatever the total value is 550 plus 19 into 25. 810, no, sorry, it is 9. 25 into D, 25 into 9, how much? 225. So total value is 775. So 810 equal to 775. Next, what is the S7? Already we know A value and A10 value. Next is A7. So using Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn, n is 7, 2 into a is 550 plus n 7 minus 1, d is, what is d value? 25. 7 by 2, 550 into 2, that is 1100. 7 minus 1, 6, 6 into 25, 150. So 150 plus 1100, 7 by 2, what becomes 1250. So after cancellation, this you get 4375. S7 equal to 4375. This is here. Okay. Sum of, so total production of TV in 7 years is 4,375. This completes your exercise 5.3's example question, not exercise question. This is only for example question. Okay. Thank you.